Hey guys, I got a new grill to try out. It's a Weber Q1200 gas grill. So let's kick the tire and light the fire. I just got this, so I haven't tried it out yet. You can get these in all different colors. These grills sell for $199, and then I bought the stand for it. That's another $70, and then I bought the hose so I can hook it to a 20-gallon propane tank. But also you can run it on the little cylinders, the little 1-pound bottles. But so it costs about $300 with everything. So just open it up. It has these shelves that fold out, and these grates, the grill grates, are cast iron. They're heavy. So I'm thinking they ought to hold the heat pretty nice. I have a chuck steak I'm going to try cooking on it. So see if I can figure out how to light this thing. I think it's pretty simple. You just turn the gas on and hit this little button here. There we go. Put the lid down and let that warm up, and I'll go inside and grab that steak. My temperature's up to about 400 degrees there, so we'll open this up. And this is a 1.3 pound beef chuck steak. Well, it says chuck roast, but looks just kind of like a thick steak to me. So I seasoned it with some kosher salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper last night and just stuck it in the fridge. So I'm just going to cook that directly like that. We'll get the lid closed and we'll see how this goes. This has been on there for about 5 minutes, so let's take a peek at it here. I have the fire turned all the way up to high. So let's see if we're getting any grill marks on there. Oh yeah, this would give it a little turn here. All right, let it go that way for a few minutes. It's been about 5 more minutes, so 10 minutes total. Let's take a look at it. It's smelling pretty darn good. All right. Oh yeah. Okay, we'll get the lid back down. It's been about 5 minutes on that side, so about 15 minutes total. I'm going to check the temperature of this thing. And it's about 112 right there. 170, 180 right there. 134, 133. You know, I'm gonna get that off of there. It's kind of an uneven thickness, so I don't want to overcook it. I usually shoot for about 130 degrees. That's usually the way I like it. So I'm gonna take it off and let it rest for a minute. We'll cut into that baby. Let's cut into this thing and see how it turned out. Brand new grill, so I'm not expecting it to be perfect. Takes a little time to get used to a new grill. Although that actually looks pretty good. Let's see here. Slice a piece off. Wow, not bad. Let's see how this tastes. That turned out really good. Actually, chuck steaks are pretty good grilled like that, if you get one that doesn't have too much fat in it. So, pretty happy with that. I think this little grill is going to work out good. It's just me now since my wife died, so sometimes I don't feel like messing with charcoal. I'll still use my kettle sometimes, but I think this is going to be a nice, handy little grill to have as well. I'll put the link to Amazon down below if anybody wants to take a look at it. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys next time.